Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region is that viewers, many news have been circulating on social media since yesterday that Tigray Defense Force is leaving Amhara and Afar region. I will share with you the information we have received about this. According to the latest reports, a statement from the Tigray Defense Force said, "We have changed our strategy and we have left some areas in peace. And we will continue to fight in our areas." This is said by Tigray Defense Force in a statement, and adding that government forces had taken control of areas. Viewers, in previous video, if you remember, I informed you that reports coming that Tigray Defense Force in Kambolcha, Dessie, and Lalibela are packing up and withdrawing. Not a single bullet fired in the three cities. Because Ethiopian National Defense Force has reached the gates of Kambolcha and Lalibela. And now government forces said they had taken full control of Lalibela and Lalibela airport on the outskirts of the city. And it is noteworthy that there have been reports today that the Tigray Defense Force are withdrawing from the towns of Kambolcha, Dessie, and Lalibela. Because the government says it has captured Lalibela, a historic site, although independent media outlets cannot confirm this yet. And about it, Tigray Defense Forces Central Command released a statement. In this statement, they claim that the bitter struggle we have been waging against our mortal enemies has reached a decisive phase, and the military operations we have been conducting thus far have succeeded beyond degrading our enemies' fighting capabilities. And we have also registered a series of strategic victories that have pushed the regime to the brink. And on account of the strategic offensives we have conducted since late June, and the regime has lost the vast majority of its existing regular manpower, and it has depleted the firepower it had accumulated for decades, and the national economy has suffered such dramatic construction that it is teetering on the brink of collapse. And the vicious fascistic regime, despite being terminally sick and on the verge of imminent collapse, continues to deceive the Ethiopian people at the moment, and it is moving heaven and earth to make a final stand to save itself from a certain demise. And the only option we have to guarantee the survival and continuing security of the people of Tigray is to eliminate this fascistic regime by leveraging our capabilities for a decisive victory. And our enemies know well that this is where we are heading and what will happen. Accordingly, we have been waging extensive strategic offensives to hasten the demise of this regime, even though there were logical, political, and military justifications behind our decision to proceed in certain directions and bring certain areas under our control. On account of the regime's violent death spams and the impediments that the expansionist Amhara elite continue to put in our way, making some adjustment at the margins has become imperative. And to that end, to finalize the war speedily and within a short period of time, we have made limited changes with respect to the direction of our strategic offensive as well as areas we attach military significance to. Be that as it may, this regime, which is constitutionally incapable of telling the truth to the people, is peddling the idea that it has, through heroic special operations, taken control of the areas that we actually left for strategic military reason without any fighting. By pulling up lie after lie, this regime continues to deceive the people. In fact, the regime even brags about having brought under control areas we had never set foot in and where, as a result, there was no military engagements with our forces to burnish it non existent military credentials and reflecting its sick obsession with camera and taking pictures. And the regime and its leader spend their days posting pictures documenting their phantom victories. Never mind, the result will be the same as ever. And said that the entire people of Tigray and supporters of our just cause, the multi-facted struggle we have initiated has reached its climax, and the military command of Tigray's army calls on you to strengthen our commitment more than ever to the successful completion of our struggle by turning a deaf ear to the routine brag of lies and deception coming from our enemies and understanding the directions and logic of our military campaign. Whereas, on the other hand, on Wednesday, the Ethiopian Air Force bombed the station as pursuit against Tigray Defense Force intensified in the Horn of Africa nation, with Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed personally joining the war front. Ethiopian map and investigative war account that is attached to Egyptian experts confirmed that the Tekeze Dam was indeed destroyed by the Ethiopian forces. And the destruction comes amid complaints by Tigray forces that the Addis Ababa administration has also cut off network in the region following the destruction of telecommunication infrastructure within northern Ethiopia since the war started in November 2020. And Getachew Reda, the spokesperson of Tigray Defense Force, an outfit of the Tigray People's Liberation Front party, also confirmed the destruction of the Tekeze Dam, which partially serves in the neighboring region of Afar and Amhara. And the dying regime of Abiy Ahmed has, in the early morning hours of the 30th of November, has bombed the Tekeze hydroelectric dam, and that the regime in Addis Ababa will do what it can to destroy anything that could benefit the people of Tigray in now here more clear. And a video is also shared by Tigray Defense Force. About this video, Tigray Defense Force sources claim that dozens of Ethiopian National Defense Force fresh soldiers captured by Tigray Defense Force during the recent war in the Amhara and Afar region. And about it, a video is also shared by Tigray Defense Force in which captured soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force can be seen. So let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
Alachu! Alachu! What a feed! What a wala! What a feed! What a wala! What a feed! Alachu! እኛም አለን አይዟችሁ እዚህ ድረስ የመጣ ነው። እኔ ታማኝ በየነ እባላለሁ። የመጣሁት ከአሜሪካ ነው። እዛ ሆኜ አይደለም የምጮኸው አሁን ከዚህ ነበልባል ሰራዊት ጋር ስቆም እኔ የሚሳየውን ሙቀት ነው። አሁን የሚሰማኝ ጀግንነት ነው። እናንተን ይዘን አሁን እዚህ የማየው ሰራዊት ፊታችሁ ላይ የማየው ቁጣ የማየው ኢትዮጵያዊነት ስማችሁን አላቀውም ብሔራችሁን አላቀውም ግን የተባበረ ኢትዮጵያ ድምጽና ጉልበት ያለው ህዋት አንድ ብቻውን ይህ የብሔረሰብ ስብጥር አንድ ላይ ሆኖ ኢትዮጵያዊ ሆኖ ሲገጥመው ያቃስታል ማለት ነው። ከዚህ በኋላ ጣርማ በር ሳይሆን ቤታችን፣ ፊታችን፣ ትግላችን ወደ መቀሌ መዞር አለበት። ህወሓትን እንወቅጠዋለን። የተነሳንበት ዓላማ እኩልነት፣ አንድነት፣ ኢትዮጵያዊነት ነው። እነሱ እየጠየቁን ያሉት የበላይነት፣ መርገጥ፣ ማሰር፣ መግረፍ፣ መዝረፍ ነው ብለዋል። ምርጫው የኛ ነው። በህብረት በአንድነት ቆመን ይህን ጁንታ ታግለን የኢትዮጵያን ትንሣኤ ማብሰር አለብን። አብረን እንቆም። እንግዲህ ይሰማችኋል? አላችሁ ወረፊት ወረኋላ ወረፊት ወረኋላ እናሸንፋለን። አንድ ሁለት ሶስት
የለም